former President Hollande made and performed a correction of what he said. He said clearly the two partners found themselves together. So it's not at all a decision of the French government or the government of India that Dassault selected Reliance. I have a good example. If I started discussions with the Reliance Group in 2011, in 2011 President was not Hollande in France, and Prime Minister was different from the existing Prime Minister of today. At that time, in 20 we are putting the money in the joint venture. In this joint venture, I put my know-how, free of charge. I put my know-how on how to produce people. I have some engineers from Dassault and workers from Dassault who are taking the lead as far as the industrial part of this JV is concerned. While at the same time I have an Indian company like Reliance which is putting money also in this JV because they want to support the development of their country. So it's the company is going to know about how to produce aircraft. You know, if we would have signed the 126, we would have worked with HAL and with Reliance, because at that time already we were in partnership with Reliance. So it's because the 126 didn't go through that we had the government of India has to reconfigure to urgent requirement to go to 36 from the government of France. So, and then I took the decision to continue with Reliance and HAL, which I know well. They even said in the last few days that they were not interested to be part of Offset. So it has been done by my decision and the decision of Reliance together to go ahead to invest in a new private company. It's good to be a private company and to be a small company also. Small company means you are going to develop know-how, you are going to develop new processors. India is one of the big countries in digital capacity. We will have a digital company. Nagpur is supposed to be a digital city, and it's a nice place. And I have a lot of land available there in order to develop the company. So this is the building of a new company. It's good for everyone. What we wanted in 2011, we wanted to be with an Indian group in order to settle facilities and to invest in India to produce parts of aircraft, parts of Dassault aircraft. And we started with Falcon, for example. And so it's my choice to say we have been working with the government of India for the last 60 years, but now I understand that we need also to be in India, and we need to be in India with partners, so with Indian partners. And obviously we could have gone to Tata, to other family groups, but you know, at that time the decision to go ahead was not given to Dassault. We were in 2011. Tata was also discussing with other companies, foreign companies. So we finally decided to go ahead with Reliance because they have experience in big engineering facilities, not in aeronautics, but aeronautics, I am the expert. I wanted to start from scratch because when you want to decide to go ahead to manufacture in India, and not only me, later on maybe with supply chain with others, we need to start with the right standards, with the right people. So we are really designing this new company together, Reliance and Dassault. But there is a company at the end. DRAL is a company. It's a starting company, but the CEO of DRAL is someone who has a long experience in aeronautics.